I decided to experiment and actually try to fix this crossbar. I cut out the damaged piece and using a hammer and some heat I bring it back to its shape. I then clamp it back to its spot and install the top crossbar and the radiator support. You can see how much time it takes to bring everything to the right shape, and it is very important to be precise, otherwise our parts will not fit. To ensure everything is where it's supposed to be, I install the fenders, hood and headlights. Everything sits perfectly and I proceed with welding.